Hey, do you know that you need a Payoneer account to withdraw money from Fiverr in Pakistan? But if you already have a Payoneer account and you want to know how you can link it to your Fiverr account, keep watching this 19th video of free Fiverr series with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. Today, we are going to discuss the steps to connect your Fiverr account with your Payoneer account. So, let's begin. Step 1. Log into your Fiverr account. Step 2. Go to Earnings section on Fiverr dashboard. Step 3. Click Bank Transfer or Fiverr Revenue Card option as per your choice. Here I have clicked Bank Transfer. Step 4. You will receive a notification from Fiverr to check your email. Step 5. Open the email you got from Fiverr. Here you will see a click here link. Click this link. Step 6. Once you click the link, it will ask you to enter your Payoneer email and password. Step 7. Once you successfully enter all the details, you will get a confirmation message stating that your Fiverr account is now linked to your Payoneer account. Step 8. In order to confirm that your Fiverr account is successfully linked to your Payoneer account, sign in to your Payoneer account and then go to Activity Funding Sources. If Fiverr is mentioned here, that means your Payoneer account is successfully linked to Fiverr. Now you can easily withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer with just one click. That's how simple it is. So if you have missed any step and if you want to read in detail about this topic, you may read it on my blog ashknows.com. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the ring button. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.